Piano is one of the most popular instruments and also makes a beautiful piece of furniture that's look great in any home. Piano has contributed greatly to modern and classic music, and it was first created in early 1700s. Piano has originated from a harpsichord and since has taken on different forms of grand piano, upright piano, digital pianos, and finally keyboards and synthesizers as well as hybrid pianos. But why does piano have black and white keys? Why other colors were not chosen to making piano keys? Take a moment and imagine a piano keyboard that had nothing but white keys. Look at the pictures on your screen to get an idea of what I mean. Could you tell me which note is A, B or C? You can't find it easily. If a piano were to have only white keys, then it would be virtually impossible for us to assign notes to them. That's where the black keys come into play. The black keys are there to separate the white keys from each other in a sequential pattern. This not only helps you to determine exact key, but also which octave range you are playing in as well. In the piano, the white keys represent the musical tones and the black keys represent the half step intervals between those musical tones. The black and white color keys in the piano helps pianist decipher between the natural pitches and semistone pitches. Means the pianist can separate different natural pitches with the help of these black and white keys. Now, we will know the unknown and amazing facts about the piano. This is Galaxy Piano. It was built in the United Arab Emirates. The Galaxy Piano is also comes under the most expensive pianos in the world as it cost $1.36 million. This piano is made from 24 karat gold plated body and features an automatic lead and curved keys. This is the world's most expensive piano, designed by Canadian manufacturer Huntsman Pianos. This beautiful instrument was played for the first time in front of an audience at the Beijing 2008 Olympic Games by a Chinese pianist Lang Lang. It was later sold at an auction for $3.22 million, making it the most expensive piano in the world. The record for the largest piano ever made is held by Adrian Mann, a piano turner from New Zealand. It took him 4 years to build the piano, and this grandiose instrument weighs 1.4 tons and is 5.7 meters long. Your one like is very precious for us, so please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch such amazing videos.